turn your estimates or hours into invoices, and simplify your billing process. Whichever type of invoices you want to create, you can do it hassle-free in ActiveCollab. We'll pull data from your workspace to eliminate errors and speed up the workflow. Customize your invoices as you like. Group items, change tax rates, or leave a note before sending the invoice to your client. In the unlucky event that a client pays late, we can send them an automatic reminder to spare you the discomfort of doing it directly. By keeping all your invoices in one place, you'll be able to understand the financial side of your business, most demanded services, high-value clients, your payment policy, and more. This helps you ensure profitability and retainers. Speaking of, we also have recurring invoices for such tasks and projects. And if you work with European businesses, you'll love the ability to issue EU-compliant e-invoices in ActiveCollab. Lastly, get paid by adding a payment link to your invoices. We can help you process payments via integrations, which is another way ActiveCollab supports your business.